Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're heading to Moon Palace. This place is a whole vibe. Stay tuned because we'll also be doing a room tour later. You're gonna want to see this.
Okay, so now we're in UltraHuman. We're in the town. We're just driving through to get to Moon Palace right now. Which I love the fact that Moon Palace is in the city, so you can get off the resort and walk around and stuff. It's my first time really going in this side of town, so I'm very excited to explore and get all the little tourist attractions out of the way, like Mystic Mountain. There's Dunn's River Falls. There's what else, babe?
Dolphin Cove.
There's Dolphin Cove. There's actually a Dolphin Cove on the hotel, no?
Yeah.
There's one. There's a Dolphin Cove on the hotel, so I'm excited for that. I hope I can get into the water because I have a cut on my leg, so I'm not sure if I can get into the water, but I'm gonna look it up because it's over, like, it's almost 2 weeks. I think today it's 2 weeks old, the cut, so hopefully I'm good. Oh, Gem Palace Jewelry and Gift. Babe, maybe you can fix your chain in there. Oh yeah. Is this it? Are we here?
In the town.
Are we here? Oh, we are here, guys. Just arrived at Moon Palace. We're gonna check in because we drove here. We have to go through a little check-in process at the gate, and then we're gonna get to explore the hotel. Okay, guys?
Hey, sweetie. Alright, guys, welcome to Moon Palace. First time here?
Yes.
And I'm full of butterflies and pink.
Wow. I'm coming to your room. And I'm gonna help you. You love that?
Okay.
Love you, darling. Alright, guys. It's a second left turn after the arch.
Okay.
Please enjoy your stay.
Ready? Oh yeah, some bags are in the trunk. How does the parking work?
So the parking is on the hill.
Yeah?
First right. So the white car exit, right? And then it is going to check in by the front desk. And once the room is ready, come back to us. We take the bags to the room for you, right?
Okay.
Yeah, man. So the gentleman is going to assist you with the bags right now, right?
Okay. So
Park exit one.
park it after.
Man, you got to park. Like right now.
Right now and
But
then
she
go.
can wait for you on the inside.
Okay, no problem.
And don't worry if you're driving in. There's free parking right on the property, so no stress there. I want to take a moment to introduce something that's been a game changer in my personal health and fitness journey. Meet the UltraHuman Ring, a sleek wearable that tracks everything from your sleep patterns to recovery, and even your daily activity levels. Whether you're pushing yourself in the gym or winding down after a long day, this ring keeps you in the know. I've been testing it out for a while now, and it's been incredibly insightful, helping me understand not just how I train, but how I recover. Definitely a must-have for anyone serious about optimizing their health. You can grab the UltraHuman Ring with a 10% discount by using my code RAHIM10 at checkout. Just head over to ultrahuman.com/RahimMuyong to get started. I've been loving it, and I'm sure you will too.
They have flowers and towels. Thank you so much. Thank you. Oh, feel it. You wanna feel it? Feel the.
What is?
Get your one. Oh, sorry. Come this way. And flowers, Mama. Thank you. You get a flower too. Got my flower and my towel. Say thank you. You gonna have it, Mommy? It's your drink. Oh, you can't hold it. Okay. Do you want me to hold it? Here. This is your drink. And Grandma got her drink. And you got yours. Is there alcohol in it? No. Okay, perfect. Perfect. Thank you so much.
Now let's talk about upgrades. The front desk here, oh, they're good. So good, in fact, you might find yourself upgrading to a nicer room just because they convince you it's worth it. We're going to tribute through Monday 9 p.m.
We're checking in now. We're gonna go to our room. I'm so excited because I cannot wait to see the view of this room. Mumi's with us, Rahin's with us, Kiari's with us, and I got my flowers at check-in and my hand towel.
Our bags arrived 15 minutes after we got to the room. We were thinking it would be way longer because it was so busy at the front. The service is top notch. Wanna open the door for Daddy?
Yes.
Alright, come.
Open.
Yes?
Open it now.
Yes.
And then open it.
Oh, nice. Hi, baby.
Hi.
This is our room. This is the bathroom. Nice. Looks so modern. Nice. And this is where you do your stuff. How do you like the room, baby?
I love it.
We just got our luggage delivered. And then we have 2 beds, 2 double beds. We have an ice machine, water. And then we have also a coffee maker. And we got a Kit Kat. So nice. My favorite. A nice room with a nice view with a beautiful woman. Oh my gosh.
I come with the room.
God is good.
I'm kidding.
God is good. God is good.
Look at that view.
And then we got a welcome wine in the room.
Love that for us.
And for the best part, this is our view. Look at that. The pool right there. Look at the beach. Holy, that looks like a picture. There was a cruise ship there, but the cruise ship left. But look at that water. Oh my gosh. So we have a nice view of the beach. And then we have the city in the background right there. That's the town of UltraHuman. So the best of both worlds. Wow. Jamaica is so beautiful. Look at that. God is the greatest.
The greatest.
Trust me.
Blessings around us.
God is the greatest. Where you got Kit Kat from?
Yeah.
Eh? You just see Kit Kat, take up Kit Kat and eat.
No, he didn't. The one with the flowers, my bed.
The one with the bed with the flowers is yours?
I broke the flower and then put it in there.
Do you like this hotel? You like it?
Yeah, I like the chocolate and the juice box and sold drinks in the. I love it. I never go here for Jamaica. There's beaches at Jamaica.
Yes. And this is the mini bar.
There's juice box.
Juices for Kiari.
It's so tiny.
Soda for us. And then there's beer. They know you were coming, Kiki. So they made sure they had juice boxes for you.
Yeah.
Aren't they the sweetest?
I didn't know that.
In your juice? Did you lock Daddy out just now?
But I don't want mosquitoes in here.
That's why you locked the door?
Yeah.
Okay. You like this hotel?
Mm-hmm.
Hey.
And the beach is out there.
Yes. Thank you guys for watching. Next week, I'll be giving you a full resort tour. So don't forget to hit that like and share button so more people could see this video. And hit that subscribe button to be a part of my YouTube family. I'll see you in the next one. Thank you.